everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya. Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I will be creating this makeup look for you guys. So for this festive season, it's a very basic eye makeup look. I know it's a little bit different than usual, so I thought let me create a look wearing this particular kurta, and this is very easy makeup look, guys. I use the Forever 52 eyeshadow palette which I reviewed in my last video. Thought of creating a different look using that palette, and I came up with this look, guys. If you wanna know how I achieved this makeup look, do continue watching, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, I'm gonna start off with some hair serum. Just now I straightened my hair. So before straightening my hairs, I applied this serum, and after straightening my hairs also I'm going to apply this serum. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So I have been using this serum for quite some days. As you can see, I have used this much. I have been loving this serum lately. I really like this one. So I'm gonna take just one pump. One pump is enough. Just I'm going to add after the straightening thing. So as you can see, it just adds the shine to my hairs. So recently I have been loving this serum, guys. I really like this serum. So it adds some luminosity to my hairs. As you can see, it gives a super shine to my hair, and it stains for almost 2 days. I can apply on my ends also. So if you want to know my full reviews on L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum, do let me know in the comments. I would love to do it for you guys. I have been obsessed with this serum since I got it in my hand. So yeah, now we're gonna start with the makeup part. So guys, I'm gonna start off with the lip balm. For the lip balm, I'll be using the Treewear Orange and Cinnamon Beeswax lip balm, which is the organic beeswax. So I'm gonna apply this on my lips, so that it will moisturize throughout the makeup. So you can use my code Satya10 to get 10% discount on Sublime website. So guys, for the face, I'm gonna start off with the Revolution Replenishing Superfood Essence Spray. I'm gonna spray this all over my face just to hydrate my skin. So once my spray is done, I'm gonna go with the moisturizer. Today I'll be using the Just Herbs Fegel Insta Glow Beauty Gel. So this is a moisturizer kind of a thing. So I have been using some of the Just Herbs products for my body, skin, hair and all. I'm really liking all the products. Seriously, I'm loving. My bathroom is filled with Just Herbs products, and my skincare also. Soon I'm gonna put a full review on these products, so please stay tuned for that. So this product comes in this kind of a gel formula, so it's not getting over at all. I have taken in this cap only. You need just a tiny amount for your whole face. Instantly moisturizes and gives a super glow to your skin. So now my skin is fully prepped. Next we'll be moving on to the primer. So for the primer, I'll be using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So this is a silicone based primer which actually smoothens my skin, blurs out my pores, and gives a super base to my base for the foundation. So primer is done. Next we'll be moving on to the foundation. For that I'll be using the Daily Life Forever 52 Photo Matte Foundation in the shade Chai, which is little bit lighter for my skin tone. So I'll be mixing with the Forever 52 Spot Glow Stick Foundation. So in my last video I have done a full review on this, so you can check that out if you haven't watched that video. So I'm gonna take this much of the foundation. I'm just going to dot all over my face and blend it with my beauty blender. So I'm gonna take a little bit of stick foundation just to cover the shade. So I'm really liking the coverage and everything. The staying power was really nice, guys. It stayed almost 6 to 7 hours. So after that it started making a little bit of oily. So obviously I'm an oily skin girl. It on my center of my face it started becoming oily. So you can use a sponge or a brush, both the ways it works really great. So because it is a matte foundation, you need to be a little bit faster in blending, otherwise it may dry up. So next we'll be moving on to the concealer. For that I'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Warm Sun and Sand. So I'll be taking the shade Warm Sand just to cover up my dark spots, and then to highlight I'll be using the shade Sand. So many of you guys ask me why I don't orange corrector. Initially when I started my makeup, I used to apply orange corrector, but sometimes what happens, I tend to get a lot of orange corrector. I don't know how to remove that, and it was become mixing with my foundation, and my foundation was looking so orangey. So then after that I started researching how to make that work, and then I found this method that you need to apply a foundation which is matching your skin tone, then you can go with a lighter shade to highlight. So if I directly go with a lighter shade, it may become gray. So I really like this method. So this method is working perfectly for me. I'm going to use the shade Sand to highlight my face. So I'm going to apply very tiny amount this time. So I'm just using to highlight my face. So again I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. So to set this concealer, I'm gonna use the Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. So this helps to brighten up my under eyes and also to set my concealer in place. I'm gonna use the beauty blender. So I'm gonna take a big powder brush. I'm going to just spread the loose powder remaining. So once it's set, I'm going to use I'm not going to use any compact powder today, because foundation itself has really good matte finishing. So next I'm gonna set my face with the Dye Forever makeup fixing spray. I am really loving this product, guys. So look at that, it's very tiny spray. I really like that. So half of the face is done as usual. Now we'll be moving on to the eye makeup. I'm gonna fill in my brows with the Benefit Go Pro Brow Pencil. So I'm going to fill in my sparse areas in my front of my eyebrows. I'm just going to draw like a hair strokes. So next I'm gonna set my eyebrows in place with the ColourPop Clear Gel. So it doesn't has any color to it, it just sets my eyebrows in place. So I really like that, so that it stays throughout the day. So for today's eye makeup, I'm gonna use this palette from Forever 52. This is the Natural Glow range. So first I'm gonna take this shade. So first I'm gonna take this shade as my transition color in a big blending brush. So I'll be taking the Pro Arte AE24 brush. So I'm gonna make this as a transition color. I'm just blending front and back and forth to build up the color. So after this I'm going to directly go to the same shimmery shade today. So I really like this shade when I saw the palette itself. So luckily I had same dress color. So before taking the brush, I'm going to wet my brush with this fixing spray, so that it gives a super foil metallic kind of effect. So I'm going to run all across my eyelid. So I'm going to take the same shade. I'm going to apply this on my outer corner just to give a little bit of depth to it. I'm just placing to create a depth to that. I'm not removing the shimmer shade. So next I'm gonna take this loose pigment from ColourPop, which is the collaboration with Kathleen Lights, called The Code. I'm going to apply this loose pigment only on center of my eyelids. So first I'm going to wet my brush like that. So then I'm going to take the loose pigment with the wet brush. Slightly I'm going to apply on my center of my eyelid, as you can see. So again I'm gonna take that green shimmery shade just to blend out that brown shimmery one. So I'm just taking the pencil brush to get that maximum intensity, and also to blend with the brown shimmery shade. So for my lower lashes I'm gonna apply some kajal. This is the Nykaa Iron Bold Kajal. So I'm gonna apply on my waterline. So I'm gonna take the same shade. So I'm gonna take the same shade. I'm gonna tightline my lash line. I'm just going to smoke out the edges. I'm gonna take the same shimmery shade. I'm going to apply on my lower edges of my lash line, as you can see here. And then I'm gonna take that loose pigment. I'm gonna apply this on center of my lower lashes. So for the liner, I'm gonna take the K Beauty liner, one of my favorite liner. So next we'll be moving on to the mascara. For that I'll be using the Flower Beauty Warrior Princess Mascara. Before that I'm gonna curl my lashes. So for the lashes I'm gonna use the MAC M72 lashes. So guys, eye makeup is done, I will be moving on to the bronzer, blush and highlighter. For the bronzer, I'm gonna take this palette from Profusion. I'm gonna take this shade as my contour or bronzer. So this is little bit darker for my skin tone, so it almost gives a contouring and bronzing effect. So I'm gonna take this small brush. I'm gonna apply on my forehead as well. I'm just going to apply only on my hairlines as like this. So if you have a small forehead, you can avoid, because I have a little bit bigger forehead, I'm just applying like that. So this palette is so pigmented, you need a very tiny amount is enough. And also on my, I'm going to apply on my jawline also. So for the blush, I'm gonna take this High Heart Revolution Charming Matte Blush. So this comes in two different shades. I'm gonna mix both of them because one is lighter and one is darker. When you mix both of them, it really looks good on your cheekbones. I'm going to apply like that. So almost I'm going to cover my nose part also. So for the highlighter, you might have guessed, I'm going to use the Kate Beauty highlighter in Honey Glaze. So I'm going to take my Lakara brush. So I'm planning to change my highlighter blush. So do let me know which brush is great for highlighter. So I'm searching for that, but I didn't get a perfect brush for that, highlighter brush. So if you have already used any highlighter brush, do let me know in the comments. So this one I really, so as you can see, the highlighter is just beaming. So finally for the lips, I'm gonna apply this shade. This is the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade 116 I Explore. Such a brilliant nude shade for my skin tone. So I'm gonna keep a small bindi for this look. This is the final makeup look. Actually, I forgot to apply my inner corner highlighters on camera. So I applied off camera. I used the same Kate Beauty highlighter on my inner corners and also on my brow bone. So hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, guys. If you enjoy, please give this video a big thumbs up so that everyone can see. It will be promoting for my videos. And if you want to see any different looks for this festive season, do let me know in the comments. And I'm planning to do a set of looks for this Navratri. If you want to see, do subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of my videos, and click the bell icon next to that so that you will be notified whenever I post a video. So all the products link, everything will be given in the description box, so please do check that out, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.